Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sunita from Arti Crafting. Some of my followers ask for animal mask as props in a school play or skit. So in this context, I am here with a lion mask. So let's get started. We need these two A3 size color paper of 160 GSM. Keep a paper aside. Now fold it in half. We need to separate it into two parts. Keep a part aside. Now fold it again vertically in half. Press on folded area. We need to measure. Grab a scale. Okay. Keep this folded part here. Okay. On left side. We need the total length of the paper 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter. So create one mark here at 22 centimeter. Now draw line. Now cut this extra paper out. Now again keep your paper here. The folded part is on my left side. Take your scale. Create a mark at 3 centimeter below the top. 3 centimeter. Do the same from here. 3 centimeter. Okay. Draw just a line on this point. Okay. Now 2 centimeter. We will create a mark on that line. 2 centimeter distance from left edge here. Okay. And 3 centimeter distance from right edge here. This mark. Okay. Now draw a line. You can take a help of the scale or directly a bit curved line. If you are able to draw curved line, that is okay. Otherwise you can do this like that. Okay. And then from here draw a curved line like that. Okay. Now we need to erase these extra line. Take a scissor and cut along the line. Keep this cutout aside. Okay. Now do the same as I am doing now. See. So we have the shape like that. Now we need to cut from here to here, that much. Okay. Up to here. We need to cut up to here. Okay. Now take a black sketch pen, marker, color, anything, but not watercolor. Pastel color you can take. draw this triangle line, this triangle line. Follow me as I am doing. Okay, I have this brown pastel color, so you color this area, fill it with brown color, fill this area with black or dark brown if you have. Now see carefully, we need to fold this paper like that and we have to stick it like that. Okay, so before that now see, we have a shape like that. Okay, keep this aside, take another cut out. Okay, now fold it in half, press on folded area, grab your scale, create a mark at about 8 centimeter below the top, 8 centimeter. Same from here. Now connect this both point. Okay, now you cut it out. See, then again keep this folded area on left hand side and draw a line same as I am doing. Now you cut along the line. See, we have this shape here. Now see, just draw a slanting line here at the corner, means you can say that. Now we need to cut up to here. Okay, this much. Now we have to stick like that. Okay, so if you want to create a point, the distance up to there you have to stick, so you can create a point or directly you can stick. Okay, so I am going to create a point here. Okay, that should be equal, so you just fold it again and see up to here, up to here. Now fold it up to here. Before that, glue here. Okay, here also spread little bit and hold it, okay, till it is dry. Do the same from here, hold it till it is dry. So we have shape like that. Take this piece of paper, the extra paper which we have cut, Now fold it up to half. Okay, fold it up to half. We need 4 centimeter. Okay, create the mark 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter from right to left, distance of 3 centimeter. Now draw a shape like that, curve shape. Okay, fold area is here. Okay, and then one more line like that. Okay, so just you cut along the line. We have this. Okay, you can do one thing. On opposite side, draw a line pressing your pencil on paper. Okay, so we have this line. So just you fold this paper like that. Okay, so we have the shape like that. We need to stick here. Okay, make sure this line should be coincide with each other. Okay, keep this aside. Now take this paper and we have this. Keep this folded area on right hand side and this is also folded part. Place it like that. Okay, now we need to draw this line up to here. Okay, and at about 1 centimeter distance from left edge, you just draw a curved line for eyes. Okay, a curved line for eyes, and then draw a line like that. So we need to cut this middle area for eyes. Before that, just cut the paper along this line. Now we need to glue this here. Now place this part with another one. Okay, like that. And before that, do one thing. Take black marker or sketch pen, draw outline. Okay, draw some dots here. We need to stick. Cut from the center at about 3 to 4 centimeter. Okay. Before that we need to stick it properly. Now glue here, and then now these two piece of that part is placed very nicely, perfectly. No need to stick it here, but if you want to stick here, then you glue here and here, both side, and just hold it for a while. Okay, so then again I am also doing this. Glue here and here, and just hold it. Now just we need to give you a round shape. Now you can draw it first and then you cut. I have directly cut it. Now we need to cut its ears. Okay, so we have this paper cutouts, so you just fold it. Okay, up to here. That means it is at about 3.5 centimeter or 3 centimeter we need. 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter we need. Okay. We have already this shape. This way we have this 2 number of ears. Cut it up to here. Okay. Now before that we need to color. You can stick pink color paper also. Hold it till it is dry. Keep it aside. Take this brown paper, fold it in half, draw a line here. This is folded area. Create a mark at about 1 centimeter. Connect this line. We have 1 centimeter line here. The distance of 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. You can create marks here and total area of this paper, total length on this paper, and draw a straight line. Okay. We have this cutouts. Do one thing. Do the same with all these strips. Okay. Now we have these strips, curly here. we need to stick here. Now I have completed sticking this. Now this way. Look at this. How beautiful this mask is. Isn't it? See this. Now we need to stick some strips. Keep it aside. Fold a paper. Okay, like this. We have these strips, so the person or the child who will use it, who will wear it, you can take measure of his or her head. Okay, and this is our, and staple it or stick it like that, and this way we have this mask. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. So please like it, share it and subscribe it. And if you have any suggestion regarding this, please write it in the comment box below. See you in the next episode. Bye.